Welcome to EZReachOut. It is a simple marketing platform, which allows for faster customer conversion. You can create bulk email marketing campaigns, and manage your phone call conversation from a single dashboard. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to increase your branding, and new customer base, and helping build strong, long-term customer relationships with current customers. Using it, you can send a newsletter, product release, or product update related to your business at regular intervals. If you've seen Colgate's ad, the ad airs every evening before the news and builds its brand. Even though you won't buy it immediately, but when you go to buy toothpaste, the first name you recollect is Colgate. Whenever the customer makes a buying decision, your product or service needs to be present in front of the buyer. Every successful company uses this marketing secret to sell more of its product or service, and every month they send them a regular email newsletter. If you are not using this marketing tip, immediately start using it. With EZReachOut, you can trace and track your email engagement, whether readers have read your email, visited the website from the link given, or if they downloaded your catalog attached. Who can use this marketing platform? This can be used by small to big manufacturing companies, marketing firms like dealers, distributors, or retailers, doctors or hospitals, insurance and financial companies, education institutes like schools or colleges, builders, transporters, restaurants, advertising companies, and in several other sectors. In this video we will show how you can quickly create bulk email marketing campaign in 2 easy steps. Let's take an example to understand. Say you want to invite your existing customers to limited time subscription offer. We will give you completely configured sender email account at EZReachOut, so you can simply start sending emails. First step is to build, or import email subscribers group. Reaching out to the right audience with the right message, is the foundation for successful email marketing. Build the right contact list to be added in Excel, or add manually classifying the appropriate group name. It's easy to create a new group, just by clicking on the Add button in the Email Group tab, and defining group name. This is followed by adding group members by importing in CSV format. We have provided a sample CSV sheet, showing how the data format should be for importing contacts into the group. Alternatively, you can individually add contacts directly or selected from our contact depository list. The second step is to create a campaign. Increase your email engagement rates with targeted and personalized communication. Navigate to create an email campaign page by clicking the Add button in the Campaign tab. You have options, whether to use our standard email template for the newsletter, or you can send personalized direct text email easy and fast. Let's show you how you can send direct email personalized messages to the selected email list, on a scheduled date and time. Once you have reviewed your final email draft, click Save to create a successful email campaign, and start collaborating with your targeted email list. Do check your email complies with anti-spam law. At EZReachOut, you can measure the success of your campaign by keeping track of different parameters like open rate, click rate, bounce rate, etc. Your matrices can tell you a lot about your campaign performance. As each email marketing campaign sent, educates the marketer more and more about your email subscribers. For aggressive marketers, EZReachOut offers an add-on feature. Those who would like to reach out to potential email readers, can use our phone call conversation management tool to add and track phone call text conversation, and set phone calls to follow-up reminders. This tool allows you to centralize outbound marketing communication on a single dashboard. In brief, here's how the phone call conversation management feature looks like. You can use this feature, a standalone phone call conversation management tool as well. You can also send individual email utilizing this tool, with the tracking facility. Now let us know what your questions are.
Can I add my business email, Gmail, Yahoo, or any other email at EZReachOut tool?
Yes, you can add any email ID at EZReachOut. But make sure that it is a working email, as you would receive the replies on the same email ID.
How does phone call conversation management tool work?
You can access these features from two sides. First, directly from the Contact Depository tab, or you can access from the Lead Capture tab. If a sales team is calling to a potential customer, he or she can search the company name and click on the View tab. You will be able to view all details: name, contact number, email address, etc. Once you completed the phone call, you can add phone conversation details, or set a reminder for follow-up. If you intend to send more information to the individual or group of people in a specific company, you can do with ease, send emails with attachments, for example, catalog, specification sheet, etc. You can also mark CC to team members. EZReachOut will track your email journey, will update you on email open or click update. This tool will allow you to track engagement with potential customers with ease. You can centralize all email and phone communication, which will enable the sales team to understand what communication happened with a specific potential customer. Centralizing communication knowledge allows for faster customer conversation.
What are the key benefits?
It gives you 360-degree control over your marketing activities. Simplifies bulk email marketing to reach more prospects. Trace and track each email activity, like how many opened sent emails, clicks on any links given in the email, and viewed any attachment. Add phone call conversations to the record. Set follow-up phone call reminders, notification alerts. Centralizing your customer and lead information. Increase your sales efficiency. EZReachOut.com provides world-class solution, with direct support. A comprehensive offering bulk email marketing, and phone call management software, allowing a competitive edge over your competitors. Thank you for viewing this online demonstration.